It's pretty crazy because the longer it sits, the bluer it gets. And what it do, YouTube? First and foremost, appreciate you clicking on this video. My name is Travis and welcome to the Baits and Weights YouTube channel where it's all about bait making and fishing. And I got a good one for you guys today. I got a brand new color from Dead on Plastic. It is the Opaline Blue, part of the Pearl Effect lineup. Should be a great color. The baits that I'm gonna make with this color are some lizards and some rocket grubs. I think those will be some fantastic baits to make with that color. And if we have time, I'm gonna take them to the creek and kind of see how they look in the water and maybe potentially, possibly catch a bass. I don't know, I haven't seen the bass for a few days in that creek. So we'll try our luck though, see how they look, at least see how they look in the water. That'd be pretty cool to see. I also do believe I'm gonna add, I kind of want to see how the color looks first in person. I'm gonna add some blue flakes and some black flakes to that. But nonetheless, let's quit the yapping and get to bait making. Grab the plastisol. I do think I'm gonna add some salt in there too. I don't know yet. Yeah, probably go ahead and add some salt in there as well. Play it by ear. Let's go ahead and pour up the milk. I mean, plastisol. We're gonna go for 1.5 cups. No, you know what? Let's just go right under 2 cups. Right under 2 cups. Once it cooks, it's gonna bring it up to a wonderful, beautiful 2 cups. Bubbles in there. Look at all this moisture we got up in there. Focus. Come back up. There you. Oh, nope. There's a lot of bubbles. Just take my word for it. There's a lot of bubbles in here. Let's go ahead and throw it in the vacuum chamber. My goodness. Opaline Blue, Dead on Plastics right here, all shooken up, not stirred. We're gonna go in with 80 drops. Yes, big old 80. They recommend 40 per cup, 2 cups. Math, yep, 80 drops. So let's go. $76, $77, $78, $79, $80-ish. 80-ish. Zoom in and stir it up. Really see that pearl effect coming in. Very beautiful. So what's the difference between this and monkey milk? Let's go ahead and add the black glitter first. One nice scoop here. Then follow that up with some royal blue. Stir it up. Look at that. That black darkened it a little bit, and the blue is really bringing out that highlight, that pearl effect. The lizards are gonna look exquisite. I almost forgot. We're gonna add some salt to this bad boy. Nice, just a little, nothing crazy. We'll just add about, I don't know, that much. Get about that much up in there. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it just fine. I think it's time to shoot the molds. Okay, we got everything incorporated. It's pretty crazy because the longer it sits, the bluer it gets. Anyways, let's go ahead. We're gonna shoot the lizards first. No, actually, we're gonna shoot the rocket grubs first because that takes the most amount of plastic. So, got my first injector here. I'm gonna suck it up and shoot the mold. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And she is full. Go ahead and top her off. Beautiful. Very nice. A little quick stir here, because you know that salt wants to settle to the bottom. So stir it up real quick, get everything back incorporated. Okay, there we go. Shuck her all up. and fill her up. And that's all she wrote on that one. Beautiful. Top it off. Give her a little bit more. Oh, I think I have to sneeze. Woo! One more, hold on. Woo! Bless me, thank you. Okay, let's let this cool down and we'll see how we did. Everyone's favorite part of the video, time to open up the mold. But first, let's go ahead and rub her down for good luck. And let's open her up. Voila! Sweet. Look at that. These are the rocket grubs. These look nice. Oh yeah. You can really see that blue just shining through. Nice. I don't know, I just love the rocket grub. I don't know what it is. I mean, it's so versatile, you know what I mean? You could literally throw this on a Texas rig, Carolina rig. You could throw it on a trailer for a jig, chatterbait. Next up, we got the lizards. Rub it down for good luck. Let's open her up. Oop, get that off of there. Oh yeah. Get you back on the plate so you can look great. Nice. Also look awesome. Alright, let me pull out a monkey milk. See the difference. Here is monkey milk with, you know, chartreuse tail. Love it. And then this is the Opaline Blue. Oh yeah, so much more blue in there. Hence the name, Opaline Blue. Oh, that looks awesome though. Ooh, a little chartreuse on there would look crazy. So it is a beautiful 100+ degree weather day out here in Texas. So I think what better time than to go down to the creek and kind of see how these look in the water. Catch y'all there. Getting less and less water around here. Like I said, oh, there's some nice little bass right there. I haven't seen any of the bigger basses here in a few days, so I don't know if somebody just plucked them out or what. First up, we're gonna try the rocket grub out, and got the EWG 3/0 hook here. And to be honest, this weight right here is way too big for what we're trying to do, but it was already tied on and I was a little lazy, so here we are, you know. That's on me. Maybe should have brought a smaller hook, but I was like, you know what? It's already tied on. Kind of just want to see how it looks in the water. You definitely still see the blue once the sun hits it. See it in the shade. Oh yeah. That's where they're at it right there. Something's biting it right there. Oh yeah, that was money right there. And just like every bait making videos that I make, I want to give one lucky person a few bags of the baits that we made here today. So all you have to do is make sure to like this video, comment down below anything that comes to your mind, just comment something, and I will definitely pick one lucky person next bait making video to win a few bags. And this is the person that won last video. Congratulations to you. Make sure you email me or DM me on any one of my social medias, and I will get back to you so we can get you these baits. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I think the bass are sleeping here or something, but let's just see how this lizard looks in the water. That's what we came here for, is kind of how they look in the water type test, because we know, I mean, it's a small creek, big old bass aren't gonna really reside in here. Let's take a look, see how this bad boy, whoa, in the water. Oh yeah. This lizard, it's got a lot of action to it. Like, you see the legs going crazy, the tail is going crazy. That blue looks super good. I think this color would smack in the river. Let's throw it a few times. Maybe we get a bite or two. Come on. I know you want it right there. Screaming. And we're back at the truck. And as to be expected, we didn't catch nothing. But hey, we got to see what the baits look like in the water, and that was the main goal, the main objective. So, alright, come here. So pretty much, hey, if you made it this far into the video, I salute you. I appreciate you. Thank you guys so much. Make sure to like this video. Definitely consider subscribing if you enjoy this kind of content. And I will be taking these on a real fishing trip to see if we can't catch a bass on them. Because, I mean, let's be honest, creek fishing, it ain't gonna do the bait justice in that little creek. But we did get to see how awesome that blue looked in the water. So that was pretty cool. And hey man, that's pretty much I got for this week. Thank you guys so much again. But I post every Wednesday, so until next week, peace. It's hot. I mean, I feel like I say this every video, but it's, oh, look at this. I think you're supposed to pick up the poop after your dog does his business. I mean, this is a park, but hey, what do I know? Y'all be safe out there.